Hey there, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. As you can see, today we're working on the 2006 F350 pickup truck. Halfway on the trip from Florida, the seat quit moving. Got an electric seat, and of course with my new factory knee, I need to move the seat to get in and out. So this will show you how to put in the new switch for the electric seats. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So here's the electric seat. I've taken out the old switch that goes right in those holes right there, and during the process, basically totally ran out of swear words, so I won't bore you with how I took it out. I will say, right here are two little plastic plugs, and for the life of me, I have no idea how to get them out. I've pushed on them from the back, I've pulled on them from the front and everything. So I ended up taking this apart, and if you see in the back here, you've got this little thing right here that holds the back in. Plus, there are a set of screws. There's a screw here, and there's a screw here, and something that goes on this level here. So what I'm going to put in is this new switch and the cable. One of the big problems was getting that plug off after 20 years. Like I say, I even had help. A neighbor came over and totally ran out of swear words. It was terrible. So it just didn't want to go out of the connector. I hope it goes in easier. So we're going to put this back, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's the easy part. You just push it through the hole in the leather covering, and you push it in. Now, I am not going to put this in the plastic piece right here. There's two screws that hold it in, until I figure out which way this switch goes. Should go that way for forward and that way for backward. However, the switch is basically symmetrical, so I want to plug it in and give it a try first. Now, one of the things we did do when we had the old switch, if you take a look, the front of this seat, we hit the motors and raised it, the front way up in the back. Basically, we tilted the seat backwards. So if you take a look at the seat, it is significantly tilted backwards, so we have room to get a hand underneath. Now, if you look down here, let me get this a little crooked. There are the two plugs. The one on the right there is the male, and the other one hanging there is the female that I just pushed in for the new switches. And what we got to do is hang upside down, and of course you need two hands to put those together in a confined space. Put this screw in, kind of hard. You got to look behind the plastic for the hole, and then you got to kind of line it up by feel, and then you come back here and you got to move this little lever for that screw right there and put it in. Make sure the seat belt comes on the outside here. Okay, there it is. Just pushed in. Took me a while to find the hole. I'm older, that's what you expect. But you just push it in, and that secures it to the back. Okay, now next is this knob. If you take a look inside the knob, you can see there are three little teeth. There's three on the top, three on the bottom. And what you got to do is put it on. This knob just pulls off. That's it, right there. And then the last thing is this little thing. It just slides over the lever. You put the screw in there, and it's done. Now the tools you'll need, other than my glasses laying right here, Let me put the seat back down. having a little set of these plastic pry tools, definitely helpful. Couple of Phillips screwdrivers. That one seemed to be the best. This one, that's what you need. So now, as you see, the seat moves forward, the seat moves backwards. Oh, happy day. New switches, all done. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe. And of course, I think I've got a parting thought for you. Thanks for watching.